This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Barron. Welcome to this spacious home, 1,800 square feet, in coveted Kings Point, maintenance-free lifestyle. This home has a true Florida flair. It is painted in soft cool colors, with a nautical flair. There is a home warranty, KPW, which is being gifted to the new owners. IT also comes with leaf filters, that is warranted with the house. Hot water heater is new as of March 2021. The LANAI is enclosed and is quite large, at 10 by 24, with new windows, double paned. The kitchen has a reverse osmosis for the kitchen area only. This home is especially great for entertaining. The new waterproof vinyl floors are easy to maintain. There are over 200 clubs to enjoy, fitness center, several pools, for you to enjoy with your new friends. Disney, Sarasota, Clearwater are just a few hours away. So what are you waiting for? Come and enjoy your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Barron at 954-693-0100.